Are you looking for an easy way to plan your budget and keep track of your spending? Keep watching to discover the best Notion templates that are going to make budgeting simple and effortless. All right. Now, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. Budgeting can feel like a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be. Notion is a great tool to help you organize everything from your income to your expenses all in one place. So with the right template, you can really start planning your budget easily and stay on top of your financial goals. Now, here are some of the best Notion budget planning templates to get you started. So the first one is called Monthly Budget Template, okay? The monthly budget template helps you to track your income, track your expenses, and saving goals for the month. Then we have Expense Tracker Template, which lets you see where your money is going, helping you cut back on unnecessary spending. We have the Savings Goal Template, which is perfect for setting aside money for your future goals, like a vacation or a new phone. We have the Debt Repayment Tracker, which keeps track of any debts that you have and helps you plan how you pay them off faster. We also have the Cash Flow Tracker, which gives you a clear view of your financial situation by tracking the money coming in and going out. These Notion templates are going to make budgeting easier and help you to stay organized. So start using them today to take control of your finances. And if you liked anything about this video, leave me a like. I love you.